Alright guys, I wanted to give an update on the Hoss Tool Seeds video of my garden. How it's coming along. Grass is taking over. Got a ton of rain lately. Hell, ever since we planted just about. My Ford hook, uh, butter beans, doing good. Mississippi purple hull peas, they're all doing pretty good. 2 rows of those. Green beans, 2 rows of those. Yeah, doing pretty good. Come back. My little gherkin cucumbers, they've done real good. Uh, yeah, you see grass is taking over, but they've done good. We've made some pickles. Come on down to my patty pan squash. We've had a ton of patty pan squash uh, compared to the gentry that we've planted. It's just been way more patty pan. Yeah, here's one. Here's one we left on the vine. Thing is pretty. But yeah, and then we planted the gentry squash, and it's done pretty good. I like the gentry. I'll tell you why. I'm gonna show you. These gentry are real smooth squash. It's pretty. The corn, we planted corn. Raccoon started getting in it, pulling it down. Candy corn. We got a row of corn. Got those off and pulled the corn up. Come on down here to our Moon and Stars watermelon. They're slow. They're slow. I know I got a watermelon here somewhere. There's one. These things are pretty. They're real pretty. A little spot on it. Yeah. I like those. Yeah, it's pretty good. Got a little squash. We were planted with a different kind of squash from last year we had. It came in pretty good. This was a crook neck. You see, they're not as smooth. So anyway, come on down. We planted some tomatoes, some banana peppers that went crazy. They're not Hoss Tool seeds. Okra either. It's not Hoss Tool seeds. I just wanted to give an update on it. Very happy with the seeds. Just gonna buy a lot more next time. Didn't buy enough, but appreciate it. Thank you.